Today, we're taking a first look at Luminousos, a Linux operating system that immediately catches the eye with its unique approach to the desktop experience. In a world where we have countless Linux distributions competing for attention, it can be difficult for a new project to stand out. Most distributions are built around familiar desktop environments, traditional workflows, and established package management systems. Luminousos, however, aims to create an experience that feels fresh, modern, and focused on simplicity. So in this video, we're going to explore what Luminousos is all about, what makes it interesting, how it looks and feels in everyday use, and whether this is a project worth keeping an eye on. The first thing you notice when starting Luminousos is the overall visual presentation. The desktop feels clean and modern without trying too hard to copy Windows or macOS. The interface appears to focus on making essential features easy to access while keeping unnecessary distractions out of the way. The design philosophy seems to be centered around the idea that an operating system should feel approachable from the first moment you launch it. This is particularly important for Linux because one of the biggest challenges facing the platform has always been the perception that Linux is complicated or designed only for advanced users. Luminousos appears to be taking a different direction by presenting a more welcoming experience. The desktop environment is one of the most important parts of any Linux distribution, and this is where Luminousos starts to become interesting. The interface feels designed around modern workflows with an emphasis on organization and productivity. Application launching, window management, system settings, and notifications are all placed where you would expect them to be, but the overall experience has its own personality. Instead of overwhelming users with dozens of configuration options immediately, Luminousos seems to prioritize a straightforward experience that allows you to get things done quickly. Performance is another area that deserves attention. A beautiful desktop is great, but if the system is slow or consumes excessive resources, the experience can quickly become frustrating. Luminousos appears to target a balance between visual quality and system responsiveness. Applications open quickly, menus feel responsive, and general navigation is smooth on compatible hardware. Of course, actual performance will depend heavily on your processor, memory, graphics, hardware, and storage. But the overall impression is that the system is designed to remain usable without demanding an extremely powerful computer. One of the most interesting things about exploring a lesser-known Linux distribution is discovering how it handles software installation. For new users, installing applications should be simple and predictable. Luminousos provides access to the software needed for everyday tasks, and the overall approach is designed to reduce the friction that can sometimes come with Linux. Whether you need a web browser, media player, office application, development tools, or creative software, the goal is to make finding and installing applications as straightforward as possible. The Linux ecosystem also gives distributions a major advantage when it comes to customization. Users can often change almost every aspect of their desktop, from themes and icons to panels, shortcuts, and window behavior. Luminousos seems to understand that flexibility is important, but it also recognizes that too many choices can confuse new users. The ideal approach is to provide a polished default experience while still giving experienced users enough freedom to personalize the system. That balance is difficult to achieve, but it is one of the things that could determine how successful Luminousos becomes. Another area worth discussing is hardware compatibility. One of the biggest questions anyone considering a new Linux distribution will have is whether their existing computer will work properly. Linux has made huge progress with hardware support over the years, but compatibility can still vary depending on the device. Graphics cards, Wi-Fi adapters, printers, Bluetooth hardware, and newer laptops can sometimes require additional configuration. Luminousos benefits from the broader Linux ecosystem, but users should still check the project's hardware requirements and documentation before installing it on their primary machine. The installation experience is also an important part of the first impression. A modern Linux distribution needs an installer that is easy to understand, especially if it wants to attract people who are moving away from Windows or macOS. The installation process should guide users through disk selection, user account creation, keyboard settings, language preferences, and time zone configuration without making them feel like they need a technical degree. Luminousos appears to follow the modern trend of making installation more accessible, allowing users to get from the boot screen to a working desktop without unnecessary complexity. Once the system is installed, the real test begins. A first boot should feel exciting, but the operating system needs to perform well during everyday activities. Browsing the web, watching videos, listening to music, managing files, editing documents, and communicating with others are basic tasks that most people expect to work immediately. Luminousos gives the impression of being designed around these everyday scenarios rather than focusing exclusively on technical users. That makes it potentially interesting for people who want Linux without spending hours configuring their computer before they can actually use it. Security and privacy are also important reasons why many users choose Linux. While no operating system can guarantee complete security, Linux distributions generally provide users with strong control over their systems. Luminousos is part of that broader ecosystem, giving users the ability to understand and manage what is running on their computer. For people who value open-source software and greater control over their digital environment, this can be a major advantage. Of course, no first look would be complete without discussing the potential weaknesses. Luminousos is not as established as major Linux distributions, such as Ubuntu, Fedora, Debian, Linux Mint, or Arch Linux. That means the size of the community, availability of documentation, third-party tutorials, and long-term development stability are all important questions. When choosing an operating system, users are not only choosing the software they install today, they are also choosing a platform they may depend on for years. A newer project therefore needs to demonstrate consistent development and a clear long-term vision. There is also the question of who Luminousos is actually for. If you're a Linux expert who already has a carefully customized Arch or Debian setup, you may not immediately see a reason to switch. But if you're someone looking for a fresh Linux experience, a cleaner workflow, or an alternative to mainstream operating systems, Luminousos could be worth exploring. Its biggest potential strength may be its ability to combine the openness of Linux with a more focused and polished user experience. After spending some time looking at Luminousos, the overall impression is that this is a project with an interesting direction. It may not replace the biggest Linux distributions overnight, and it still has plenty of challenges ahead, but the idea behind it is compelling. Linux has always been about choice, experimentation, and innovation. And projects like Luminousos demonstrate why the ecosystem remains so exciting. The most important thing will be what happens next. If the developers continue improving hardware compatibility, software availability, performance, security, and documentation, Luminousos could gradually build a dedicated community. The Linux world is full of ambitious projects that started small and eventually became influential, so it is always worth watching new ideas develop. So, is Luminousos worth trying? If you're curious about discovering something different, absolutely. It may not be the perfect operating system for everyone, but that isn't really the point of Linux. The real appeal is having the freedom to explore alternatives and find an environment that fits your needs. Luminousos offers another option in an already diverse Linux landscape, and its modern approach makes it an interesting project to watch. For now, this first look leaves us with plenty of questions about where Luminousos will go in the future. Will it grow into a major Linux distribution, remain a niche project for enthusiasts, or inspire other developers to experiment with new ideas? Only time will tell. But if you enjoy exploring new operating systems and discovering what the Linux community is building, Luminousos is certainly a project worth keeping on your radar. And as the Linux desktop continues to evolve, new projects like this remind us that there is always room for fresh ideas, different designs, and completely new ways of interacting with our computers.